In this video, I will show you how to transfer playlists from Spotify to YouTube Music. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here to tunemymusic.com and then click on this Let's Start option. Now it will ask you for the source, so just head over and choose in here Spotify. And now this will connect to your Spotify account. So once it's done connecting, you should be able to see any playlist that you have available. Now it will ask for your playlist, so just load from your Spotify account or just add a URL, and then after that, they should be able to show you the playlist that you have. Now just choose in here your playlist. I'll head over and choose in here this download and click on this choose destination. Choosing here YouTube Music, and then as you can see right here, it will open and then it will prompt you to sign in to your YouTube account. Then just choose your YouTube Music account and then select all of this permission, click on continue, and then after you have done that, just click on the start transfer and it will process these tracks that you can see right here. So as you can see, it's now been moved and then it should be able to work properly.